Taking innovation to a new level is the AXI Care Dose feature. Simply fill up the compartments with liquid detergent and softener, and the inbuilt technology will access the amount of laundry inside and auto-dose each cycle with the correct amount of detergent necessary. By helping you to reduce the amount of detergent used, this will help you save money. And by lasting on average for 18 cycles before you have to refill again, will save you effort on every wash cycle you do. And don't worry, if you're a fan of powder or tablet detergents, you can simply choose to turn the feature off or use the single wash compartment. So, now you can have carefree washing with the help of the Care Dose feature.